Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Litecoin from your Tangem wallet to Coinbase in 2025. If you're holding Litecoin and want to move it to a major exchange like Coinbase for trading or withdrawal to your bank, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for you. It's quick, secure, and we'll cover everything you need to know to avoid common pitfalls. First things first, make sure you have the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device and a verified Coinbase account set up. You'll also need some Litecoin in your Tangem wallet and a stable internet connection. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Tangem Wallet app and enter your secure PIN or biometric login to access your dashboard. Once inside, locate your Litecoin balance in the Assets section. Step 2. Select Litecoin from your wallet holdings. This will take you to a detailed view where you can see your current balance and transaction history. Step 3. Tap on the Send or Withdraw option. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address, which you can get from Coinbase. To do this, open your Coinbase app or website, go to your Litecoin wallet, and copy the deposit address. Make sure it's for the Litecoin network to avoid errors. Step 4. Paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field in Tangem wallet. Double-check the address for accuracy, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Then, enter the amount of Litecoin you want to withdraw, keeping in mind any network fees. Step 5. Review the transaction details, including fees and estimated arrival time. Once you're satisfied, confirm the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a second PIN or multi-factor authentication. Step 6. Sit back and wait for the transaction to process. On the Litecoin network, this usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. You can track it using a blockchain explorer. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works smoothly, especially in 2025 when crypto regulations might have updated. That's it. You've successfully withdrawn your Litecoin. If you run into any issues, check Coinbase for incoming deposits or contact support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.